From foreign language, our learners proved they can truly go competitive and global. LingoStars highlights foreign language mastery through compositions and expositions, showing that languages can truly connect us to the world. For the Foreign Language Composition, or FLC, Ms. Lenore Marcel Tongson and Ms. Roseanne Estoquia will do the honors. Joining them for the Foreign Language Exposition, or FLE, is Mr. Darren Ray Javier.
From mastering languages to celebrating cultures, it is now time to recognize the winners of this year's LingoStars Foreign Language Exposition, beginning with Chinese Mandarin. For LingoStars Foreign Language Exposition, Chinese Mandarin, in fourth runner-up, we have Cordillera Administrative Region from the Schools Division of Baguio City, Lance Sanjo D. Bumahit, Teacher Coach, Shuli B. Tanas. In the third runner-up, we have Region 4B Mimaropa from the Schools Division of Oriental Mindoro, Nika G. Afable, Teacher Coach, Anthony D. Marquez. In second runner-up, we have Region 11 from the Schools Division of Digo City, China Juliana S. Sinagan, Teacher Coach, Samantha Bea F. Gasing. In first runner-up, we have Region 7 from the Schools Division of Lapu-Lapu City, Renz Carl Mabalatan, Teacher Coach, Laika Taneo. First runner-up is Region 7 from the Schools Division of Lapu-Lapu City. And the champion for this year's Foreign Language Exposition, Chinese Mandarin, we have from Region 4A Calabarzon, Schools Division of Laguna, Chael Arion A. Ramos, Teacher Coach, Zaira May T. Camtan. once again our champion for FLE Chinese Mandarin, Region 4A Calabarzon. Next up, we have the Foreign Language Exposition, Spanish. For Spanish, in fourth runner-up, we have from Region 4B, Mimaropa, from the Schools Division of Oriental Mindoro, Gian Andre de Ramos, teacher coach, Maria Evelyn Teresa C. Miguel. Once again, for Spanish, fourth runner-up, we have for Region 4B, Mimaropa. The third runner-up for Spanish goes to Region 9 from the Schools Division of Zamboanga City, Princess Arian Santiago, teacher coach, April Joy Malaki. Once again, for Spanish, in third runner-up, we have Region 9. The second runner-up for Spanish goes to Region 6 from the Schools Division of Capiz, Precious Rene de la Cruz, teacher coach, Francis Razal Baron. The first runner-up for Spanish goes to Region 10 from the Schools Division of Misamis Oriental, Brian Gabriel de la Peña, teacher coach, Liberty A. Lingo Lingo. And this year's Foreign Language Exposition champion is Region 12 from the Schools Division of South Cotabato, Prince Ace Gumpal, teacher coach, Romel V. Matan. Let's continue with Japanese Nihongo. Let's continue with Japanese Nihongo. In fourth runner-up, we have Cordillera Administrative Region from the Schools Division of Benguet, Micel Royce L. Alfredo. Teacher Coach Jeline M. Cortez. In third runner-up, we have Region 12 from the Schools Division of Kidapawan City, Pearl Mariel L. Yanong, Teacher Coach Prechi T. Canonigo. In second runner-up, we have Region 11 from the Schools Division of Davao City, Sean Rain M. Amores, Teacher Coach Efren S. Hoyla. In first runner-up, we have Region 7 from the Schools Division of Bohol, Jessa May S. Bautista, Teacher Coach Shira Marie A. Lagas. And the champion of this year's foreign language exposition, Japanese Nihongo, is Region 10 from the Schools Division of Bukidnon, Melody T. Amper, Jessa Gail A. Remate. Next up, we have foreign language exposition, Korean. In fourth runner-up, we have Region 3 from the Schools Division of Cabanatuan City, Ashley Lorraine S. Calibot, Teacher Coach Maria Ferom Sarmenta. In third runner-up, we have Region 12 from the Schools Division of General Santos City, Jerence G. Dolorazo, Teacher Coach Michelle Rose Historia. The second runner-up goes to Region 7 from the Schools Division of Dumaguete City, Janice L. Maderazo, Teacher Coach, Cherry May L. Pain. The first runner-up goes to Region 4A Calabarzon from the Schools Division of Quezon Province, Elizabeth Kirsten F. Gutlay, Teacher Coach Vanessa V. Eliaga. And the champion for this year's Foreign Language Exposition, Korean, is Region 11 from the Schools Division of Panabo City, Janelle I. Fabian, Teacher Coach Jonah Jean R. Jagna. Let this event be a reminder that language and culture are bridges to intercultural understanding. So we hope to see you at the next Lingo Stars. Once again, congratulations.